Welcome to Discomens class. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a simple entry form in Excel. So before you create a form in an Excel, you need to have a table. So you create a table. So we are going to record the product stock. That is our example. So we have 3 columns. That is the product quantity and also price per unit. So we go ahead and select first 3 columns and we go to insert and we click on the table and okay, so the first column is a product, the second column is a quantity, and the third column is a price per unit, and the price per unit is in Ghana cedis. Okay, so we are done creating, or we are done inserting our table now. So this table, you can modify it, the color. So you come to the design, you see we have a lot of colors here, so you can select any of them, the one you want. Okay, so we'll be using the default one. So you come to home, so let's remove the filter. So we have the product quantity and also price per unit. So we are done with the table. We now want to create a form and insert our record. But on the toolbar, we don't see the form icon because we've not added it to the toolbar. So we go to the access toolbar. You see the more commands, you click on it, choose commands from, you select all commands, and now you scroll down to form. So F, so we have form, so you click on the form, you add it, and you click on OK. So the form icon will show on the toolbar. Now we have the table, we have the form icon. So we want to insert information now. But before that, anytime you want to use the form, your mouse pointer needs to be at the form or on the form. It shouldn't be outside the form. For instance, if you want to input record in the table and we click outside the form and we tap on the form icon, it will tell us this cannot be applied to the selected range because that is not the table. So you click on the form and you click on the form icon, so it will open. So the form dialog will open for you to input the record. So the first record, we have monitor, and the quantity is 30, and the price per unit is 500. So when you are done, you just tap on enter. So you see the information has entered into the table. So the second item is laptop, and the quantity is 120, and the price per unit is 3,000. When you are done, you tap on enter. The third product is printer, the quantity 57, price per unit 2,500. When you are done, you tap on enter. Now next item or the next record is television. So TV, and the quantity is 55. The price per unit is 300. When you are done, you tap on enter. So our 4 records has entered to the table using the entry form. Now we want to search. So let's say we have a lot of information in the table and we want to search for a particular record or particular records. So you come to on the same form, you come to the criteria. When you click on it, it will give you the same fields. So you can search using the product, quantity, price per unit. So let's search using the product. So let's enter monitor. Okay, so let's say we don't type all the monitor, so money, and let's click on the find preview. So when we click on it, it will show us the records that contains money. So if we had records that had the money letter in it, it will also show here. So here we can see monitor. Okay, so let's search for another item. Okay, so let's go to the criteria. Here we have the monitor, laptop. So we have two, TO here. So let's search TO and you will see. So 2, find preview. Okay, so now we are seeing monitor. Let's come down. Now we are seeing laptop. We are not seeing anything. So you can search using some letters in the word. Okay. So that is it for the form. And if you want to do any editing, you tap on the form again. You can locate the product to do the editing. So let's say we want to edit the monitor quantity. Now we have 45 in stock, so you just type on the 45 and you tap on enter, so it will change. If you want to change the TV price, so you come to the criteria, you type TV and you type on the find preview. So TV. Okay. Okay, so now we have the TV, so we can change the price. So 500. When you are done, you tap on enter, it will change. And if you want to delete a record too, you can just, so laptop you want to delete, so you just tap on it. Display records will be permanently deleted, so it will delete. Okay, so that is all for the creation of entry form in Excel. Thank you for watching. Bye.